What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Bruges out here in Belgium. You can see right in the city center here, in the centrum. We are actually walking towards the main center. So, this is considered Belgium's finest tourist destination. Okay. I'm heading towards the Belfry. It was originally established by the Vikings in the 1100s, and it's said to mean wharf or place for mooring boats. M-O-O-R-I-N-G. Just across the channel from here is the UK. They are a Flemish territory. Words like merci, ciao, bonjour, all across Belgium. But yeah, this is the old town. There's going to be a lot of canals here, so it's been kind of nicknamed the Venice of Belgium, or the Venice of Northern Europe, although Amsterdam is similar. Got hit with a big wind gust there. Look at this. By the way, let us know in the comments where you're tuning in from. There's the Belfry. I have to step back to really get a good look of it. Belfort. Museum Gallery of Salvador Dali. So, as you know, in Belgium, they speak 3 different languages: Dutch, Flemish, right? French, a bit of German. They also speak a bit of English here, although don't bank on it. There's been countless times where I've tried to have a conversation in English, because in the Netherlands they do a really good job of it, but here you're gonna kind of have to learn some French or Dutch, which is fine by me. It just means I gotta learn a little bit. As you know, mullets are very popular. That is mussels. You know the saying, mussels in Brussels. They're not talking about Arnold Schwarzenegger because he's from Austria. Show you guys this place here. We're gonna go find some canals. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, be sure to hit the like button. That helps get the video out to a larger audience, and subscribe to the channel as we continue to show you guys around Europe. I almost didn't come down here because it was so cold today. It's April 1st, and there's a cold front in town. I woke up, there was snow on the ground. It's kind of dried off, but the cars had snow on them. Try and get you guys a little bit closer look here at some of the food. So the food that is really popular here, French fries. A lot of people know about Belgian waffles. The beer, of course, Belgian beer, which is actually stronger than most beers. Moulets, which are the mussels, and frites, which are French fries. They double fry their French fries here, so extra crispy. And they're not like, when you actually bite into them, you get a nice taste of the actual potato. Let's see here. So now we will head towards where the canals are. Yeah, very picturesque village town, almost a city for sure. You know, Belgium's not a very big country, but back in the old days, you could see before the car, you know, it was by foot or horseback or chariot or whatever means of transportation they were getting around on. It was big, you know. These are towns that are built for people, not for cars. The euro to US conversion rate is about 0.93. So it's almost equivalent to a dollar. It's just a little bit more expensive, so 45 euros really kind of equate to like 47 or 48. Alright, we're coming up to the canal now. So this is where it gets kind of exciting. You can do walking tours here. Just go online and research who does the walking tours. Alright. Today I'm using my Osmo Pocket instead of my GoPro. I don't know which one you guys prefer more. The GoPro is more wide lens. This one's not as wide. Jan van Eyck statue. King of mussels. So funny. Moles. Mussels. Man, and when they give you mussels out here, it comes in this big pot, this big steam pot, and it's huge. I said, is this enough for 3 people? He said, no, it's usually 1 people. Something interesting to know about mussels, it used to be considered the poor man's meat. Nowadays, it's called black gold. So, I'll show you the mussels I ate. I did have some. So how do you get to Bruges? Well, all trains, all roads go through Brussels. So if you're coming from Paris or Amsterdam, you're going to have to go through Brussels and then do the transfer in Brussels. It takes about an hour and 5 minutes to get from Brussels to Bruges. Just wanted to point that out. So here in Bruges, they actually have the Chapel of the Holy Blood, which is where they say they have Jesus' blood. So, very kind of unique. Look at that. All right. So you can see this is the Chapel of the Holy Blood. We're kind of like walking right underneath the archway here, and we'll come out on the front. So that's the actual Chapel of the Holy Blood. See what it's going to take to go inside there. Oh, look at that. Okay. As the snow falls, See what it's like in here. Okay. We're going high. Well, you know, they say once you've been to one chapel, you've been to them all. But not all of them have Jesus's blood here, like this one. So, let's go through the Belfort here, see what's going on. Tastes the best hot chocolate in town. Let's see. Nice. Nice way to get around. I was on a boat. Let's see here. Maybe they got something that I can put on my head here. A beanie. I'm going to need a beanie. What do we got? Brussels, Antwerp, and Bruges. That might work. Alright, so I'm back in the game again. Feeling a little bit better. I got this beanie. $10. 10 euro, I should say. Horse and carriage. Alright, so now where we are headed, it's called Mini Water Park. Mini Water. Mini Water. Let's see here. It's over here. As you can tell, they got some Belgian waffles right here. There we go. Belgian waffle with chocolate. This is the water park here. Look at these duckies. We got Mr. Chatty Duck. Chatty Ducky. We shall call him Chatsmore. Ducky Chatsmore. Alright guys, that's going to conclude this episode from Bruges. See you guys on the next one.